Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are safe and healthy. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to watch my previous videos on INBDE or NBDE Part 1 question series. So before I continue this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every video. So let's start. So the very first slide will always provide you the answers to my previous videos 10 unsolved questions. So please compare your answers if you have tried solving those. So moving to the next slide. Third slide. The next one. All right. So this last slide will always show you the 10 unsolved questions. So please pause this video and spend some time to find the answers. I will provide answers to all of these in my next video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.